Hello everyone! Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Without wasting any further delay, let's start. Okay, so today I will be giving you a review on this makeup brush set, which is from MAANGE, if I'm pronouncing it right. So there are 15 brushes, one beauty blender, and one brush cleaner. Okay, so I was very happy to try this. So let's see. First is this beauty blender. It was pink in color, very cute, and the shape of this beauty blender was very good. Okay, it was just like modak, but like it do have a smell of chemical, which was little weird and uncomfortable. But fine, after washing it, I think it will go. So never mind. Next, proceed with like beauty blender. Ho to ho gaya, but let's see brush cleaner kaisa hai. It is pink in color and it will definitely make your cleaning process easier. And talking about this flat foundation brush, so I was very happy that I already used once, and to see the result, because I was very excited to try this brush. Okay, so it was good. And further talking about this powder brush, so it is very fluffy and the bristles are very soft. Okay, it is like very comfortable to use, you know. As you can see, I'm showing you exactly how it is, and the brush is of good quality. And talking about the angular brush, yeah, it was also very soft, and the angle will definitely make your contouring process easier, you know, to contour your corners, and it will make your face look perfect and chiseled also. Now talking about this brush, it was written on the brush that it is multitasking brush. Yes, you can, you know, blend your contouring, or you can also use for under eyes blending of concealer, because you know it will reach the corner of your face. And you can also apply powder to set your face in the corners, like around the nose area. And talking about this small brushes, so I was very happy, you know, the quality of the brush is superb, it was good. And my favorite brush is this. Okay, because I love to do my eyebrows, so it will give you the proper shape, and it will help you if you comb your hair, eyebrow hair, with this. It will definitely give you a perfect eyebrow shape. With this small angle brush, you can apply eyeliner also, your lower lash line. I was talking about this brush set. This is the fluffiest brush, and I think it is used for the blending of eyeshadows. Like you can see, this is round from the top, so I can place exactly, and I can buff it off all my harsh lines of the eyeshadow ka edges. Okay, so I was talking about the blending brush. So for eyeshadow, I think blending brush is very important, because the edges of the eyeshadow should be very smooth and well blended into your skin. So this brush will definitely help the edges